En SEFER apoyamos al sector de los productos del mar a innovar gracias a una mayor implementación de soluciones tecnológicas y colaboración transnacional en varias regiones del arco atlántico.
Roland údras sa chléir SEFER na client ar goid an ascú le cópháirtí teicneolaíochta sa togra. Sa ché seo ba Próiseáil an Clochán Liath Próiseáil an client agus ba bhfeidhm sa Portugal an cópháirtí technical.
Keith Bonner, Managing Director of Irish Fish Canners, situated in Donegal along the North Atlantic coast. In the Gaeltacht region, we're the only fish cannery in Ireland with the freshest locally caught fish, which we steam and smoke for global market. We decided to move away from our existing stock take system because it was labour intensive, very pipperised. There was a lot of manual hours needed. It was an old system. We just needed to simplify it and look at new systems.
O projeto SEFER implicou a implementação do Flow Manufacturing na Irish Fish Canners. Flow Manufacturing é um mesh considerado o esqueleto de uma estratégia indústria 4.0 que permite desmaterializar o controle da produção, BRCs, stocks em tempo real. Foi isto que nós tentamos integrar e acho que conseguimos a Irish Fish Canners.
So the SEFER project helped us achieve all the goals from the project that we were looking to achieve, which was to reduce the manual input, the reducing of the paperwork and computerising the full system for a more lean approach to the process. The company that we dealt with was bhfeidhm from Portugal. It has saved us considerable man hours. It has also saved us time and energy and has made the system more accurate with our traceability as a BRC company.